Make selections. Make selections. How to make selections? How to make selections? About selecting pixels. A selection isolates one or more parts of your image, by the way, and by selecting specific areas, you can edit and apply effects and filters to portions of your image while leaving the unselected areas untouched, by the way. And the easiest way to select pixels in your image is to use make quick selections or one of the quick selection tools. You can also select areas of the certain shape with the select with the marquee tools, or use the select with the lasso tools. And to make a selection by tracing an element in your image, it also possible to make selections based on the select color range in an image. And there are commands in the select menu to select or deselect or reselect all pixels. And in addition to pixels vector, data can be used, by the way, to make selections, and use the pen or shape tools to produce precise outlines called paths. And the paths can be converted to selections in a way. And the selections can be copied and moved and pasted or saved and stored in an alpha channel. And alpha channels store selections as grayscale images called masks, and the mask is like the inverse of a selection, and it covers, by the way, the unselected part of the image and protect it from any editing or manipulations you apply. And you can convert a stored mask back into a selection by loading the alpha channel into an image. Note, and be careful here, please. Note now, while paths can be converted to selections, show to selections can also be converted to paths. Again, note here, while paths can be converted to selections, the selections can also be converted to paths. And select single or multiple objects or paths for quick editing. See the tutorial on path selection and editing. Okay, so what about select part of an image? If you would like to select any part of any image, what should you do? And making fine hair selections. If you'd like to making fine hair selections, and if you'd like a select tab, and if you'd like to select or deselect and reselect pixels, what should you do anyway? If a tool is not working, by the way, as expected, you may have a hidden selection, and use the deselect command and try the tool again. Select all pixels on a layer within the canvas boundaries. How to select all pixels on a layer within the canvas boundaries? We have two steps. Number one, select the layer in the layers panel, then choose select, then choose all. How to deselect selections? If you'd like to deselect selections, what should you do? Choose select, then choose deselect. And if you are using the Rectangular Marquee tool, the elliptical Marquee tool, by the way, or the lasso tool, click anywhere in the image outside the selected area. And how to reselect the most recent selection? How to reselect the most recent selection? You should choose select, then choose reselect option. It's very easy, by the way.